Hey everybody, so E90 here, another Friday at work. I get in the car to come home. This time I have all kinds of lights, ABS, you name it, everything's flashing. It turns out I ran the scanner. I'll show you that here in a minute. It's a bad wheel speed sensor, left side, so driver's side. And also cylinder number 4 misfire. So on the cylinder 4 misfire, I've already replaced all the spark plugs not too long ago. Got a video on that. Also, the coils. I've replaced all the coils. They're all new. So I'm kind of baffled, but I'm going to swap some coils around. I saved the old ones, the ones that are still good, because I replaced all 6. So we'll do some tests back and forth and see if we can figure out that maybe one of the new coils was bad or went bad. And then we'll see if we can reset all the error codes and be back in business. So there's kind of the display, the ABS, check engine, warning signs, all kinds of stuff. So let's look at our error codes. DME, electronic transmission, that's none expected. Stability control, read codes. Dynamic stability control, left front wheel speed sensor, power supply. So it's probably bad. We're going to check it out. Let's look at the rest. Transmission, that's new. The transmission control signal fault, left front wheel. Okay, so that has to do with the wheel sensor and the dynamic stability control. Okay, easy. And then DME, cylinder 4, combustion, variable temperature control, exhaust cold start, digital catalytic converter, sensor, catalytic converter, upstream sensor 2, dynamics, digital mode, electromass, airflow, everything's braking. I wonder if this is all to do with the speed sensor. Air intake temperature, sensor signal, very interesting. So let's start with the speed sensor. We'll clear codes and then we'll test everything again and see what we have, and then we'll go on to the DME as needed. Alright. See if you guys can see it. And it hooks up to the back over there. And it goes this way. Curves around there. Clips in here. And then goes into this little box. And that's where they connect. It opens from the bottom. It's been a while. I did the other side years ago. Probably 3 years ago. There we go. Wow. The connector's messed up. So you see the plastic missing, they're exposed. So something happened there. Oh, that connector's trashed. Wow. The pin's broken off of it. I'm going to have to do some, because that's the wiring that goes into there, yeah. I'm going to have to do some soldering there. Try to recover that. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. That's the brake one. That's actually my brake one. So I'm going to have to solder that. Holy crap. All the discovering stuff. This is our wheel speed sensor one. There's our connector. Looks better than the other one. It's missing the clip here, but at least it's almost in one piece. Looks like a 27 fits. Yep. Let's get the new one back in. It's a plastic part, so you don't want to crank down on it. Got a clip here. Let's see. I got it in there, yep. Turns from there, and now it's gonna go in there. Alright, that snaps back in there on the bottom. Okay, that was easy. Now this thing, what not? Somebody's been in here, huh? Bottom one seems to be in one piece. We're gonna have to solder that top. Alright, so that's the best we can do for now. I have to see if I can order that end clip. And a new brake pad sensor and correct all of that. In the meantime, let's check our stuff and see if we got any errors still. Okay, it looks like it took care of it. Look at that. That one's gone. So we gotta reset all of these. Let's erase all. And we'll have to do some testing just to make sure. Alright, I'm gonna escape and then do a new reading. What? It's all gone. That can't be. I'm gonna have to run the car and double check everything. So it's possible it's all related to the wheel speed sensor, but I gotta make sure. Alright, let's turn it on. I gotta crack the door. What do we got? Alright, that says all systems okay. Let's escape. Let's do a new scan with the engine running. Wow, nothing, no error codes. Alright, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a test drive and see if anything comes back during the test drive. So far so good. So if everything goes well, I assume that the wheel speed sensor threw off all the other codes, including a cylinder 4 misfire, which is really odd. But you know, there are no codes. We're going to check again in a minute. Everything is fine. It's responding well. Put it in sport mode. Yep, it's it's going like it's supposed to. No warning lights, no issues. Engine sounds good. All systems okay. All right. Yeah, I think that did it. We're good till next Friday. Check for codes. So I think that was it. The wheel speed sensor was screwing up everything. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video and this helped somebody. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Take care.